What's up, Soil brothers and Soil sisters?
Soil family.
Yeah, seems like we just left here.
You can hear the sleep in my voice.
Yeah, so we up early this morning, going to help out some of our Soil family.
Yes, today is going to be great. Get some things done. There's nothing like helping somebody get established on their homestead.
On a new adventure, right?
Yep, homestead where you are. And that's what they doing. I'm so proud of them. So
we're on our way, and we will see you when we get there.
Can they see in the back? Can we see in the back? Y'all know Bobby don't go nowhere without his babies, right? She got her seatbelt on.
So fam, this shouldn't be too bad. We got a kit. We just gotta look at some instructions and figure out how to put it together. Once we get it together, I think we're in there. So let's get it. All right, so we have the frame of the run done.
I built my chicken coop for the first time. I built my first chicken coop. Oh.
You do what? You ain't doing that.
We laid a floor and we started the foundation. We got the foundation done and we got the floor and the roosting bars in. Work in progress. Team women.
I'm used to 17 and 18.
So Presbyterian, how's it going?
You know what? It's going really good. I'm loving it. This one right here is such a big help. So I'm loving it. It really helps to have somebody who's done it before to help you out. So good job, Tim.
See what happened was the first time I did it, we built our chicken right. We had your
Instruction.
we only had my husband's brain. So I pretty much sat back a lot and Randy got water and I did a lot of admin back. So that's what I do. When it gets tough, I gotta go to the
Okay.
So Mr. Presbyterian, so how you feel about the progress so far?
It's going pretty good. I'm happy with the progress so far. I'm surprised that we didn't have to flip the bars around, nothing like that, not too many times. I think maybe just twice. So I'm happy about that. But other than that, it's going pretty good. I'm enjoying the process.
Good. So what we doing next?
Doing next, I guess, is putting the chicken wire cloth around the frame.
Okay. So let's get it.
Let's get it.
All right, fam. So we were able to get the frame up without too much problems. There was a couple of them that was misplaced or turned the wrong way, which is to be expected. We were surprised that we didn't have to change a lot more out than we did, but we did pretty good. We put the chicken wire up around the coop, and it was a little time consuming. It definitely took all of us to actually get this done without being overwhelmed. It wasn't hard, but it did require help. And me and my wife, we are aware of that because we have done some projects at our homestead, and it can be overwhelming. The amount of time it takes, the amount of effort it takes, and having help definitely is a plus. So we were glad that we could be there to give them a hand and get them started on this amazing journey that they're on. So, guys, if you ever decide to do something of this nature, just make sure you got some help from some people and you don't get overwhelmed, or give yourself enough time to where you can actually do it on your own. It's gonna be rough by yourself, but it can be done.
So what the guys are doing is I don't know what y'all doing. What y'all doing?
Everything
Just
else.
putting on the net and locking them down.
Locking them down. So they securing the run so nothing can get in. That is one of the most important aspects of raising chickens, making sure you have your girls secured. Nothing can get in and nothing can get out.
Absolutely.
Because you don't want to come out and find your girls gone or devoured. So that's what the guys are working on. Dummy proofing this chicken coop.
Absolutely. They doing a good job, though.
If
I gotta
anybody gonna be
say.
eating chicken, it's gonna be me.
So that thing got anything for the chickens to stand on?
Yeah, the roosting bars down. It's two of them.
Yeah, because we will, we still have a little bit of time before they don't come to August. Well, they ship them August 23rd.
Yeah, so you'll have them in the house for at least probably 2 weeks.
So we got 6 Easter eggers and 3 Easter eggers and 3 Buff Orphingtons.
Okay.
Yeah.
The buffs are ready to make it big. So the chicken coop is pretty much done. What you get? I'm gonna give you I would cover back here, but even if you park it, I would just park it to here.
Okay.
Yeah, I would just park it from here that way because they like the sunbathe too.
Oh, okay.
That way they got some sun if they want.
Right,
And
right,
back here
right.
they'll have shade.
And they'll have shade, which is good.
All right, fam. So we're finished.
Oh, gee. They worked me, y'all. They worked me. I only took
Listen.
one bathroom break.
Well, we maybe took 2.
See, we
But
don't
it's
speak
all
French.
good.
We don't
What's the
speak French.
bathroom?
These guys worked, y'all. These
They
guys worked.
worked it.
Um,
They did it.
It is probably 90% complete.
Yep.
The little things, they have time. That's the good thing. They have time a couple weeks before their babies are here.
Yes.
And, you know,
Yep.
they made a great purchase.
So it's good to have friends to come and help you out who know what they're doing.
Yes.
And so now we've learned a lot.
If it was me and her, we would have been fussing. I would have been in my room. She would have been in her room. This thing would just been
Halfway
looking crazy.
done, looking crazy.
And not to speak of the triple digit temperature.
Exactly. These triple digits are no joke.
But we had fun.
But we did it.
Yeah.
We did it. And we stayed hydrated.
Oh yeah, most definitely.
Yes, yeah. So go ahead, babe.
Well, we got a lot accomplished, and you know we had good conversation
Yes.
during the time, so it was a good
Absolutely.
time.
Absolutely.
Good meal. So it was a
Yes.
good day. You know, we actually was productive.
Very productive.
And we ate some ground cherries.
Yes.
Oh yeah, for the very first time. We heard everybody talk about ground cherries, but thanks to
ate
Presbyterian, we was able
Yes.
to eat some ground cherries.
Now we
today.
gotta grow them.
Yes, we're going to grow some ground cherries.
So
Yeah.
instead of Sherry always giving me seeds, I'm going to give her some seeds.
Hey, this is Soil
That's
Family.
a first.
This is Soil Family.
Absolutely.
And we appreciate the fact that y'all reached out to us or allowed us to come over and help y'all.
I'm
Thank
just
you.
glad
I
that y'all was,
appreciate the help.
grateful enough to come and do it. And, you know, it feels good to know, hey, that y'all was there and y'all was ready to come and help us. Because we needed it. We
Yeah,
did
we
it.
did.
Yeah,
Oh,
this
yeah.
it was a lot of. I mean, it wasn't a lot of work as a team. It wasn't a lot of work.
Right.
But I think this is a great run, a great coop for your chickens. You got a lot of worms out here.
Oh, yeah.
Which is a great sign. The chickens are gonna love this. But yeah, this was an amazing day.
So guys, we appreciate y'all joining us. Like
Share,
and subscribe.
hit that bell so you can be notified each and every time we drop new videos.
Guys,
Until next time.
Presbyterian Gardener. Till
Check
next
her out.
time, guys. Peace.